If you're considering retiring in Thailand, getting a retirement visa, specifically the Non-Immigrant O-A visa, is a crucial step. But before you dive in, let's talk about 3 common mistakes that could lead to a denial of your application. Trust me, you want to avoid these pitfalls. First up, let's break down the Non-Immigrant O-A visa. This visa is designed for foreigners aged 50 and above who want to live in Thailand long-term. It's valid for 1 year and can be renewed annually. But here's the catch. You need to meet specific financial requirements to qualify. Now, let's get into the nitty-gritty of those financial requirements. You have 2 options. You can either show a bank account balance of at least 800,000 Thai baht, which is about 24,000 US dollars, or you can prove a monthly income of at least 65,000 baht, roughly 2,000 US dollars. If you choose the bank balance route, make sure that money has been in your account for at least 2 months before you apply. This is where many applicants stumble. They think they can just transfer the funds right before applying, but that's a big no-no. Another mistake to avoid is not having the correct documentation. You'll need a valid passport, a medical certificate proving you're in good health, and a police clearance certificate from your home country. If any of these documents are missing or incorrect, your application could be delayed or denied. Double-check everything before you submit your application. Now, let's talk about extensions. Once you've got your O-A visa, you can extend it annually, but you'll need to maintain those financial requirements. If your bank balance dips below 800,000 baht or your income drops below 65,000 baht, you could face issues when it's time to renew. Keep your finances in check and always have the necessary documents ready for your extension application. Lastly, don't underestimate the importance of timing. Apply for your visa well in advance of your planned move. The process can take time, and you don't want to be scrambling at the last minute. So, to recap, avoid transferring funds at the last minute, ensure all your documentation is complete and accurate, and keep an eye on your finances for renewals. Follow these steps, and you'll be well on your way to enjoying your retirement in the beautiful landscapes of Thailand.